This is a quick review here. This is your 3-in-1 garage door lube. Now, what's most important to understand about this is that to maintain your garage and maintain that it works properly, using something like this is going to really kind of extend the maintenance of it. A lot of times we use garage doors and we don't think about that extra, and using something like this is going to help extend the life of it. So it's called a 3-in-1, and purposely because, well, it's a high performance lubrication, but it's quick drying and it prevents rust and corrosion, and that can be very important if you've got a garage door. I want you to notice the top here. This right here and it looks just like, your WD-40. It comes from the same makers, the WD-40, but you're not going to want to use that because this is specifically for your garage. WD-40 is not made specifically for your garage. Once you go ahead and use this, you're going to spray this in areas where it's going to need it most. And then once you spray that in those areas, you're going to hear a difference when it comes to using this product. So we're going to go ahead and use it and show you the difference. So I've got the garage door shut right now. It's kind of dark in here, but you can see with the light where the joints are, and these are the areas you're going to want to hit. Now make sure that when you do hit these areas, you've got a rag of some sort so you can kind of wipe it up right away so that you don't have a lot of spillage. So I'll spray it and then just make sure I wipe up around it. And you want to continue to do that with all these here that you see inside the garage. One more thing I forgot to mention is that you can use this two different ways as far as the spray goes. So right now you can use this, and this is the tip right there, that in spray mode, right? So you just press it there, or you can do it the way we showed you earlier, which is actually this way. So there's two different ways you can use it as a spray. Definitely, again, something I would highly recommend. And for that matter, using something that will lubricate your garage doors on a daily basis. And this is the 3-in-1. Thanks for watching.